In this video, I will compare the claims versus the reality of the 2026 Moringa and Berberine shorts from Firmly Health to see if these sculpting pants actually live up to the hype. When looking at the side-by-side trade-offs of this activewear, you have to weigh the high-tech marketing against the actual user feedback. On one hand, the standout feature is the 4-in-1 microparticle technology that incorporates Moringa and Berberine directly into the fabric, which is designed to increase workout efficiency by trapping body heat. However, the contrast between the product description and the customer rating is significant, as it currently sits at only 2.1 out of 5 stars. While the manufacturer highlights sculpting tummy control and a natural booty lifting effect using 100% cotton fabric, the performance for the price point of $19.99 is a major point of debate for most shoppers. The shorts offer a wide size range from small all the way up to 5X large, but require dry cleaning, which is a rare downside for athletic gear meant for heavy sweating. If you are looking for an instant silhouette transformation, the compression might work, but the low review score suggests a mismatch between the advertised fat-burning tech and the actual results users are seeing. I hope this comparison helps you decide if these shorts are the right addition to your gym wardrobe, or if you should stick to traditional compression gear. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more product reviews. Let me know in the comments if you believe microparticle tech actually works, or if it's just a marketing gimmick.